Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Nusrat Jahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Physiology, Bashundhara Ad-din Medical College. Today I will discuss about the cell membrane. At first, the definition of cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism, and the entire body contains about 100 trillion of cells. Mainly, cell has two parts. Number one, that is the cell membrane, and another one is the protoplasm. Protoplasm further consists of two parts, that is the cytoplasm and the nucleus. Now I discuss about cell membrane. This is the diagram of cell membrane, and cell membrane is a thin elastic structure that is about 7.5 to 10 nanometer in diameter. And the cell membrane composed of protein 55%, phospholipid 25%, cholesterol 13%, other lipid 4%, and the carbohydrate which is about 3%. And the cell membrane has the now I discuss about the structures of cell membrane. Cell membrane is the basic structure of the cell membrane is a lipid bilayer, which is a thin bilayer of lipid, and it is composed of mainly phospholipid and cholesterol. Phospholipid has the two parts, the phosphate part of the phospholipid, and this is the fatty acid portion of the phospholipid, and the phosphate part of the phospholipid, that is the hydrophilic portion, and the water soluble substance can pass easily through this phospholipid portion. And the inner portion, that is the cholesterol fatty acid portion of the phospholipid, that is the hydrophobic portion. And at the same time, the cell membrane contains also the integral protein and the peripheral protein. There are several functions of integral proteins. The function of integral proteins are: integral protein act as structural channels through which several water-soluble substances are passes between the extracellular fluid and intercellular fluid. And integral protein also act as a carrier protein, and it also act as a receptors and serves as a enzyme. And the peripheral protein, it act as a enzyme. Cell membrane has a carbohydrate coat, that is the cell membrane carbohydrate. It is also called the glycocalyx, and it is located to the outer surface of the cell membrane. And cell membrane glycocalyx are negatively charged particle through which it has several functions. And this negatively charged glycocalyx causes the repels of the other negatively charged particles, and this glycocalyx coat causes the loosely adherence of the one cells to the another cells. And finally, I tell the function of the cell membrane. Cell membrane has several functions. Number one function, that is the protective function. Cell membrane causes the protection of the cell cytoplasm from the surrounding structures. And the number two is the selective function. Cell membrane causes the selective permeability of different type of substance across from the extracellular fluid and the intercellular fluid. And it has several nutritive function. Several ions and vitamins, minerals are absorbed through this membrane. And this all about the cell membrane. Thank you all.